Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this summer glowy makeup look. So let's go ahead and get started. So something that I love to use during the summertime to refreshen my face is the Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray. And this has so many good ingredients that are good for your skin. And then I'm going to be using the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser by Maybelline. And this is just going to help my makeup stay on all day. A new foundation that I recently saw at Ulta is this one by Revolution. It is a dewy finish and it is perfect for summertime because it makes your skin look radiant and healthy. I have normal to combination skin, so this foundation works pretty good for me. I have been wearing it for about 2 weeks now and I love it. It blends so easily and it has a very natural finish. To set my foundation, I'm going to be using the Airspun Loose Face Powder in Translucent. You want to make sure to only apply this on areas where you tend to get really oily on, especially when you want that dewy natural finish, because if you have powder everywhere, you're just going to mattify everything and that's not the look we're going for. For bronzer and blush, I'm going to be using this duo by e.l.f. in the shade St. Lucia. They are both very natural shades and they go perfect together. The blush does have some little specks of glitter and it looks very natural, and it also has like some type of radiance to it. To shape my brows, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Lock and Liner and Brow Cream. I mentioned this product a lot here in my channel because that's how much I love it. It is very similar to the Anastasia pomade, but this one is less than half the price and still super good quality. On the eyes, I'm going to start by putting on the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer as a base, and to set that, I'm going to be using the same translucent powder from earlier. Going back to the face, I'm going to be using the Carly Bible palette and I'm getting the lightest shade of highlight, and I'm going to be applying it on my cheekbone, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, and brow bone. Now for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the same Carly Bible palette, and I'm first starting with a matte brown eyeshadow tone that is going to go all over my crease. Then I'm getting a bronzy color and I'm going to be applying that on the lids of my eyes. If you guys have never used the Carly Bible palette, I highly recommend it. It is super affordable and it has the creamiest eyeshadows. They are so pigmented and are super easy to blend. Next, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Miss Manga Mascara. On the lips, I'm going to be using two liquid lipsticks by the brand AOA. One of them has more purple undertones and the other one has more orange tones. The first one I'm going to be using is the color Tease, and on top of that I'm going to be using Blast, and I'm just going to be using my fingers to blend it out. Next, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild highlight stick in the shade When the Nude Strikes, and I'm going to be blending this all over my chest to make it look glowy. Then I'm going to be taking some body coconut oil, and this is just going to make my skin look moisturized, radiant, and healthy. To finish everything up, I'm going to be using the Mario Badescu spray, and I'm going to be setting everything in place. And that is it, my loves. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye!